2024 promises a non-stop thrill ride on the silver screen, packed with enough action to satisfy even the most adrenaline-hungry film buffs. 1. Furiosa, a Mad Max saga, plunges us back into the desolate wasteland alongside the fierce Imperator Furiosa, played once again by the formidable Charlize Theron. Prepare for vehicular mayhem and fierce warrior clashes in this prequel to the critically acclaimed Mad Max: Fury Road. 2. Transformers. One marks the dawn of a brand new reboot series. For the iconic robots in disguise, buckle up for mind-blowing transformations, epic battles, and the continuing clash between Autobots and Decepticons, all with a fresh take for a new generation. 3. Ballerina spins out of the John Wick universe. Starring a young female assassin seeking vengeance for her family's death, expect stylish action, high-stakes choreography, and maybe even a cameo from Keanu Reeves himself. 4. Gladiator 2 reunites us with Russell Crowe's Maximus Decimus Meridius nearly 25 years after the original captivated audiences. Director Ridley Scott returns to helm this epic continuation of the story of vengeance and redemption. Get ready for stunning visuals, gladiatorial combat, and plenty of emotional weight. 5. The Beekeeper brings Jason Statham back in his element. As a deadly ex-spy ripped from retirement, expect his signature blend of hand-to-hand combat, gunplay, and explosions in this action-packed revenge thriller. This is just a taste of the action-packed smorgasbord Board Hollywood is cooking for 2024, so mark your calendars, grab your popcorn, and hit that subscribe button for more movie updates and deep dives. We'll be keeping you in the loop on all the latest trailers, news, and behind-the-scenes action. Stay tuned and let the popcorn fly. I'm so grateful for your support and feedback. It helps me grow as a creator and make better content for you in the future. If you liked what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I have lots of exciting things planned.